size of... Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm going to wake the baby up next door. Oh. Yeah, such is life. So before I open up the first one, I've got my old tricks that I've got up my sleeve. Yep, coins and notes I found this week. Now I found an archery Olympics. I found 10 francs from 1989. There we go, very bonny, like that. I also found one of these for the money box. I also have a super shiny Lord Kitchener. It's not the error one, but it's better than the one in my book. I also found a Candy Tuft 5 pence. Very bonny. What will I show next? Yes, this one. Another one of these for the money box. And yes, you just saw what you just saw there. A bit of a minging Mary Rose. An EU stars. But Star of the Finds, yes. It is what you think it is. It's a England Commonwealth. One of my colleagues found this, thought of me, and says, I found one of these. Is this any good to you? And I'm like, absolutely, mate. Got to work. He's a wee chancer. £4. I was like, well, all right. And he says, I know it's worth this. And I says, I know how much it's worth too. I'm just putting it in my book. I'm not selling it on. So he says, all right, £4 and it's yours. So I give him £4 and I went on my merry way with a new Commonwealth coin. Drives a hard bargain, I know. Also, I've got a Lord Islay £10 note. It's, believe it or not, I don't actually have one of these, as common as they are. So I've got one of them. I've got a super low AA number to swap out for the one in my album. It's got a couple of wee crinkles in it, but that number is so abnormally low that I couldn't just pass that up, you know. Got yet another one of these. That's like how many in the last few weeks now? It's just ridiculous. Might just cash a few in and punt a few on eBay or something. Also, believe it or not, I don't actually have an AA £5 note from the Bank of England. It's a wee bit crinkled like the other one, but it's AA, so it'll do till I get a lower number. Nice. And last time, I think in one of my previous videos, I found a normal Clydesdale Bank one. I think this one might be in better condition than that one. So I may do a couple of swap overs with the banknote album, but that video is in the future. Let's go in the here and now and see what's inside these parcels. So, let's see what's in this. Now I know what's in this, because my very good friend went to the Royal Mint for a wee trip as soon as it opened up. I think it was the very weekend it opened up. And he said he'd do me a favour, he'd do me a solid, and send me a wee thing from the Mint, because I can't get down there, unfortunately, just the way it is. Travel restrictions, a mixture of travel restrictions and just I can't get the time off at short notice and stuff like that because, well, work. I work a lot. I'm being a key worker throughout this whole thing, and it's hard for me to try and arrange anything. I need to like 6 months to organise my life, but my good friend, Coins to Collect, young Trev. Oh, what's this? Is he throwing in a bonus thing? He has. What a star! What a star, mate! Oh, I love it. Look at that! That's another one for my album. Wicked! Please just punch with that, mate. Thank you. Oh, wow! And the Viking boat. A wee longboat. Oh man, that's appreciated. Thank you so much. But yeah, he went down and managed to get the strike your own decimal day, the D-Day, 50p. Wow, Look how lovely that is, and that's inside its new packaging. It's a bit weird when I saw all the other channels opening up, because I suppose it's saving on resources and that, but it just feels weird. There we go. I'm not going to touch that. I'm not going to do a bungle and go, oh, look at that. No, 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 no. I'm keeping that pristine. But yes, yes. This image is, how to put it, best represented by the wee trophy. Is it a trophy? Sculpture that Dan Temple, Master Dan, made. I think it's in Bungle's possession now. What a star that was. Oh, well jealous of that. But it's such a great thing and recreated very well. And having one of these means so much. I do have it in the annual set, of course, and the proof set, but to have a strike your own. Thank you so much, Trev. That's appreciated. And also for this nice touch. He knows his clientele. Very, very much appreciated. So let's move on to the next one. And I got this one. There's a return address, so I covered it up. I didn't want to have that exposed. The coin guy. Interesting. Let's have a wee nose and see what's inside. Ooh. Oh, wow. What's going on here? Right, I must see if there's any evidence. Please bear with me. There we go. Caledonian Coins, the best coin tuber on the planet. There you have. You've heard it here. Sorry, Christopher. Really sorry, Bungle. Have to say it. Thank you very much. Of course, other coin tubers are available. I have to say that. During lockdown, I wrote to you asking you to sign a Paddington 50p for me, and you sent me 3 50p's all signed. Calibre magnet and the stickers. I will keep forever in my collection. Please find some gifts I have got for you. I hope you like them. Ian Matthews, Falkirk, Scotland. Yes, I did send some 50p's. In fact, he asked for a Paddington. Was it at the Tower? Or was it at the cathedral? There was a. I just decided to sign both, or was it? I thought it was just 2 I sent, but maybe it was sent 3. I cannot remember. It was a wee while back. But yes, that was really appreciated getting your video, your letter for the previous PO Box video, and it says, "Please keep doing great videos. Love them. Thank you so much." Now, what have we got, goodie wise? You don't have to send me anything, by the way. Don't feel obligated to send me stuff. This is just a very nice gesture that Ian's done, because, oh, look at this. Trading cards. Trading cards. I'm going to have a trading card video on the go soon, by the way. Oh, ho, 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 look at that. Equestrian, boxing, boccia, Peter Rabbit 16, canoeing, canoodling, Taylor of Gloucester. I was going to say Tower of Gloucester. Taylor of Gloucester. Palace, Paddington, Ironside, and the EEC entry. So I'll have a nice, I'll add them to the collection. Thank you so much. And like as promised, I'm going to have a trading card video, because I've got all those other ones to scratch off still. What's this? This has caught my eye. A £50 note. Authorised by Delboy, Bank of Peckham. There's Uncle Albert, Trigger. Oh boy, is that Boise? And Rodney and Delboy, and it's Robin Reliance. Look at that. That's amazing. Bank of Peckham. £50. Keep calm and don't be a blonde. Brilliant. I like that. That's amazing. Thank you so much. And of course, wouldn't be one of my videos without looking at some stamps for about 5 seconds or 10 seconds. That's Bonnie. Like that. Very, very nice. Kind of like a Mando brought in a wee bit. There we go. Football legends. Dixie Dean. Commonwealth Day. Oh, what's this? British textiles. Is that flax? Is that flax? I can't remember. There we go. What's this one say? Millennium. Oh, strip farming. Millennium. Bannockburn. Oh, yeah, now we're talking. Bannockburn. Look at the wee lion rampant shield. I've just been up to the statue lately in Stirling Castle. Great, lovely part of the world. And there's a nice 19 pence. Well, looks like sailing with rainbows. That's pretty cool. I love these. Thank you so much. Oh, one last stamp. Let's see what's here. Bob Cratchit and Tiny Tim. Christmas Carol. Oh, that's pretty cool as well. Very nice. Very, very nice. Thank you so much, Ian. And yeah, that's appreciated. And don't worry, you know, I sent you some bits and pieces because you sent me some bits and pieces. We're getting down a spiral now. I've got to try and up the ante. Anyway, thank you so much, Ian. And once again, do not feel obligated to send me anything. This is just a real lovely treat to have. Thank you so much. So let's move on to the next one. Yeah, so on to the next one, and it's a real unusual shape. It's from Ramsey Sorting Office in the Isle of Man. A few of you will remember from not long ago, a few P.O. Box videos ago, that Rob Quine sent me some bits and pieces. The Victory Coin set from the Isle of Man has a lot of the Manx Electric Railway, another one of them stamps. Brilliant, mate. But I'm curious to see what he's done this time. Let's find out. Let's do the wee radio wipe and we'll find out on the flip side. Wow, that's quite a bit in there, so I'm going to double check, make sure there's no evidence. Let's have a wee peek. There we go. Many thanks for your freebies. Sending you a few things that you might like. Don't forget to read the outside of the container. My girlfriend Hannah does mug printing, so she has sent you something. I hope you like it. Keep up the great vids. Rob Quine. Oh wow. Your girlfriend Hannah does printing. Is it this one? Or is it this one? Pocket taped to top. Okay. Quite a few items in here. You shouldn't have gone to all this trouble, Rob. This is so much. Thank you very much, though. It is very much appreciated. It gives me content for the channel, of course. But wow, you guys have gone to a lot of effort. I don't even know what's inside here. It could be a glitter bomb. Please don't send glitter bombs. Wow. Let's have a look. Right. So, girlfriend Hannah does mug printing, so she sent you something, a mug. Ah, look at, oh, I've got a new mug. Brilliant. Oh man, that's so cool. Oh, I love that. I really like that. Oh, thank you so much, guys. Rob and Hannah, you've outdone yourself. I've only opened the one thing. See, the thing is, I do have a couple of mugs. I got them from my friends at Craig Rossi. They've got the black background and the logo and stuff. They don't have a saltire on it. This just cherry on top. That is beautiful, mate. Thank you so much. And yeah, the story is I've got a couple of mugs that I keep in boxes. I've kept them for prizes in the future and stuff like that. But the one I use regularly is starting to look a bit worn down now. And look at this. I might just have a brand new replacement mug for my live streams when I get back into them. Oh, I love that, buddy. That is so cool. I've still got a couple of things to open yet. Let's get back into this. Wow. And a big thank you to Hannah as well. That's appreciated. A lot of work goes into these, I know. There we go. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, wow. Am I allowed to say that? Fairly famous export strength Manx knobs. What are they? Gee, I must go down to the seas again, to the lonely sea in the sky, and all I ask is a tall ship and a star to steer her by. This tin could make you a fortune. Your navigation lets you down and you find yourself cast ashore on a particularly unlovely desert island. The coconuts are not up to scratch and the internet is just a distant memory. That's the thing though, I'd put my phone on and I'd probably just say, yes, there are local girls in your area. And I'd be like, there's no humans for 2,000 miles, go away. You could use the silvered lid of this tin of nautical knobs to flash a signal of distress to a passing luxury cruise ship. Oh, that would be nice. Once rescued, enrich your account of hardship and survival and sell the film rights. Yeah, I'm going to get a wee volleyball with Wilson written on it as well and a handprint. That'll be brilliant. The Vikings started cruises to the Isle of Man about the year 798. They went on to create the Kingdom of Man and the Isles embracing the Hebrides, Orkneys and Shetlands. Yes, there is one thing I know about the Isle of Man. I can't remember the name of the hill you go up. You go up the tallest hill there. The name's in there, in my brain. It's at the back somewhere. It's filed away. But there's something about the 7 kingdoms. You can see 7 kingdoms from the top of this hill. And it's the Kingdom of Man, Kingdom of England, Kingdom of Ireland, Kingdom of Wales, Kingdom of Scotland, Kingdom of Sea, and Kingdom of Sky. That was it. I'm very curious as to what these are. Let's find out. Oh, they're like Lee Humbug things, are they? Very similar. Size of... Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm going to wake the baby up next door. Oh! Yeah, such is life. That's definitely my thumbnail. That's got to be my thumbnail. There we go. I'm going to see if I can take a photo of that, in fact. Fantastic, I like that. Right, do I dare try one on camera? I did that with the Welsh cakes. I'm going to have a wee sook. If I can get into it. I may need to say hello to the scissors. So I've still got other things to... Oh yes, they smell good. Right, I have one. I'm going to pop it there. I'm going to open up the rest of the stuff. I'm going to try this when I'm doing my recap at the end of the video and give you a verdict at the end. I'm looking forward to trying it all. I just don't want to be slavering all over the camera, that's my problem. That's from here. Postcards. Upside down postcards. There you go, look at that. I love postcards. Visions of Man, that's Peel Castle. That's the one that's on the coins and the notes I had the other day. Oh, look at that, oh cute. It's a Manx cat. Oh, Lisa's gonna love that. I love it. Oh, that's so cute. Maggie the Manx cat. Is Maggie famous? I'm going to have to do my research. It's kind of like Felix. There's another Felix down in, is it Huddersfield? He's the railway station cat that helps them catch all the mice and stuff. Craignish, is it? I think. If my pronunciation's butchered it, I'm really sorry, but that looks cool. That old school. I went to a pub like that in Yorkshire once. It was very nice. It was an old school Viking place. It was in York, actually. Oh, where's this? Murrah Park? Is it Murrah or Murrag? Ramsey Isle of Man. That's where you stay, isn't it? It'll be near where you're from. Lovely part of the world by the looks of things. Wow, very nice. What's that in the middle? Is that your mansion? There you go. If it's not, then just say I'll let you claim it as your own. There you go. Manxisms. 9 G's 3 Care Quig. Wow, this is gonna. I know Lochton from the RAM from the 50p. Cabby, Conning, Muddy, Shalan, Hlu, Blah, Kate Manny, Billy. Was it Bailey or Billy? Bainey. Grampy? Braxton? I've got to remember this one. That's the cake, right? Grampy? Riohag? I don't know. Riog? Is it Riog? Kies 2? Skedden. Oh, is that weird fish that the Scandinavians have? Or is that smoked kippers or something? Cap'n de Hay. Cap'n de Hay and some Grampy. That's what I've got to try and remember if I'm ever in the Isle of Man. I'm going to definitely, if I ever do end up in the Isle of Man with any of the coin tubers, I will bring this along. This will be invaluable. Thank you so much. Wow. Now, one more package. Oh, this is the one I sent you, so you've reused it for something. Very good, very responsible. Reusing and recycling, of course. Highly encouraged. I do that with things that I get on eBay and stuff, and I'll keep all the flat bits of cardboard for any note swaps that I do. Very curious though, what's in here? Oh wow! That's amazing! I've got a coaster for my mug! That's incredible! Oh wow! That is superb. That is superb. I love that. And some coins as well. Yes, don't forget, guys, this is a coin channel. But wow, I'm just overwhelmed with all the goodies that you've sent. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm touching shiny coins and that now. Oh, I should really be wearing gloves. Tap. There we go. I've just done a bungle. Right, there we go. Okay, now look how I have never seen one of these so shiny. I have seen one of these or two of these turn up either at my work or in my change, just around and about, but never this shiny. Wow, I need to get some flips. Oh, I've got a Viking longboat, but I don't know if my one's this shiny either. That is lovely. I love these designs. They get such nicer coins than we do, eh? We've still got that shield design from 2008. And the Triskelion, I can't remember. But I know how, honestly, it's one of those. There we go, 1992. Let's see what's in here. And we'll try not to touch them too much. The Manx cat. Oh, I love that. Now, I do have a Manx cat sealed bag I bought from eBay once upon a time. I can't remember if it was 2019 or 2020. I think I might have both, if I'm honest. I got them from the same vendor, I think 1 year after the other. But I also bought one of those for Lisa. I can't remember if she still has it or not, because a lot of stuff has gone over time. That is the shiniest chicken rock lighthouse I have ever seen. That is amazing. And there's your Lochton Ram. Look at that. I'll keep that in there. 2020. Wow, I think that's my only 2020 one I've got. And I do have one of these, but I have another now. The one I have, was that the Westminster one? With the colour bits around the edge, I think. Quite possibly. I did have another one, but I think I gave that away in a competition back. Was that in my 1,500 subs? Yeah, possibly. But that's always amazing to see these. I love these poppy ones. Very poignant as well. Wow. Right, I'm going to have to do a recap because there's so much stuff to cover. I've got a new mug and all this bits and pieces, so I'm going to have a wee recap and cut the video there, I think. We'll get the rest of the stuff. I've still got loads of envelopes here to open up. We'll get them done in the next video. So, yes, I'll be back in a minute once we have a recap. So yes, welcome back to the recap. I'm still sucking on, dare I say it, I'm still sucking on a Manx knob. Where do I go from now? I don't know. But yeah, they're quite tasty. Again, where do I go from now? Big thanks to Ian for the stamps, lovely. For the trading cards, they'll go to a worthy cause for the collection. I've got a trading card video to make yet. Still got a whole to scratch off from before. I've got a load of coins that I found, all this stuff with the Commonwealth Games, Mary Rose, everything in between. In fact, while I remember, oh, there's one on the floor. These two here have to go in the money box. There we go. Now I can get travelling. Yeah! Anyway, all the banknotes I've found, yes. The Bank of Peckham note as well, fantastic. It's lovely hearing a letter from you as well, brilliant, mate. Also, Trev, coins to collect, Trev. 50p banknote from Isle of Man. Was a cherry on top, and also we've got the strike your own D-Day, decimal day. And what can I say? Rob and his girlfriend Hannah have outdid themselves. All these postcards of their lovely island. This is beautiful. The stamp I stole off the front. The coins, of course, they have to be the shiniest chicken rocks and Rushton clocks that I've ever seen. Huge, huge thank you for these. That is brilliant. Got a coaster, got a copy. The live streams, they're going to be invaluable when they start up again. And okay, like I said, I'm having a wee suck on some Manx knobs. Export strength Manx knobs. I think I will have that as my thumbnail. So yes, before I get myself into trouble, also this is going to be invaluable because I do plan to go to the Isle of Man sometime in the future. I don't know what, after all this done dusted, we can get about and about again. So I'm pretty sure me and maybe one or two of the other coin tubers want to go. This will come in handy. So I've got to go Cap'n de Hay Grampi, I think. If I've pronounced them wrong, I'm no doubt. There's comments below. Tell me what I've done wrong. I like to be educated. Anyway, thanks to you all, and thanks to everyone who's watched so far as well. What a video this has been. Anyway, I'm off for now. Don't forget, check your change. Ciao now, cheery bye, and choo choo the new.